So we've come out of the lift, which goes from the basement right up to the rooftop. So we've come out of the lift from apartment 10. We've come out to the to this common area here, where rooftop 10 is to the right. So through to here, and here's the private rooftop for apartment 10. So you've got a clothesline there. You've got power, cold water there, ready to go. You could put an outdoor kitchen up here, some lovely outdoor furniture, lots of pot plants, and make it your own space. Okay, so swinging around here, you should be able to see the ocean through the gap there beside 84 the Spit, and this is looking down over Parkyn Parade at the back of the property. So there's a beach access directly across the road. Within about 30 seconds you'd probably have your feet on the sand. Okay, so that finishes my tour of 10 of 101 to 105 Parkyn Parade in the Spinnaker Quays building.